You can see this folder 24023. On this particular folder all these papers are being saved, and the reason why it has selected this folder is because this folder is open in Zotero. So all these, and you can also create a different folder for the same. By the way, all these folders are already saved in my Zotero library, and my Zotero is also connected to my MS Office, so I can simply click on the research paper and it gets added to my MS Word document where the relevant literature is present.
I can give you hundreds of examples of PhDs, research scholars, professors and academic writers who were able to finish their research paper within a week using AI tools. But the major problem here is to decide which AI tool should you use. There are many researchers who simply waste their time trying and testing the AI tools, while there are many who still don't have any idea of the power of using AI tools in their research. Hi, I am Dr. Tripti Chopra and I have already assisted more than 1,000 researchers, scholars and academic writers in their research journey. And after testing hundreds of AI tools, I have designed a capsule course which will not only help you in saving 10x of your research time, but will also help you in the entire process of research, right from writing to the publication. Yes, you heard it right. So no more paying to anyone for your research and publication when you can do it all. With the help of this 60 minutes capsule course, you will be able to do your dissertation, research papers, thesis and academic papers literally 10x faster than you used to do it earlier. I guarantee you that with the end of this course, you will be able to complete a research paper within a week. This is a beginner friendly course and you don't need to be an expert and techie for this course. And in this course, I am going to show you the best tools that can help you in doing your literature review, writing objectives, finding research gaps, doing your referencing on automation mode, conducting your methodology, data collection and data analysis, and much more. And I'm sure that these 60 minutes are going to change your research perspective forever. So join me in this transformative journey to streamline your academic workflow. Join the course and explore full potential of research. And if you buy this course today, you are going to get a lot of free bonuses like a free ebook on AI in research, in which I have covered in detail the step-by-step process of research and how AI tools can automate this research process. And along with that, you are also going to get some free templates of research.